Morning, happy Tuesday. Let's see. Okay, for the watch list today, we have Apple, Microsoft, AMD, and Meta. The ones that I really like are Meta and Apple and AMD, but I'm swinging AMD from yesterday, so AMD is looking great. Let's see what are the main levels that I'm watching on each one. So the first one is Apple 174 is a key level today for reaction, but now pre-market it's under 172.50, 172.60. So basically yesterday made a base around 172.70, 172.50, and it's under that level. So that for me is a new rejection point there. So if like pre-market is used as resistance, so if it keeps being under, it's bearish. If regain that level, it's bullish, but we can see like a clear move towards 174, and then 174 is like the major level to watch for more upside or another rejection point there. Microsoft, I like Microsoft only if the market is strong today, only if tech is strong today, because Microsoft is on a clear, let's go, wait, let's go. It's on a clear uptrend here. So we have this uptrend here. And then I'm looking for Microsoft to hold 319, which is under that level right now. It's like 319.40, 319.50. So under that level, in fact, Microsoft can get like a sweet meltdown toward 315. But I like Microsoft more if the market is strong here for more upside. But under 319, if you use 319, 319.40, 0.50 as rejection point, you can have like a good downtrend here, and it will be a break of the uptrend. Um AMD. So AMD, I'm still on the puts that I got in yesterday, and so far it's looking great. I wanted to see AMD under 102, under 101.70 will be like even better. But I want to see AMD using 102 as resistance, because yesterday used 102 as support, so I want to see it under that level. If used as support, I think AMD can go higher to 104.50, 105. So 102 is the level to watch on AMD. If keeps using a support, I can see AMD like going way higher to 104.50, 105. If gets used as resistance, I'm expecting AMD to go at least to 100.50, 100.30. So 102 is the level to watch on AMD. So pretty much this support here from yesterday. I want to see it acting as resistance here. Meta. I like Meta only if the market move higher. So Meta around yesterday high, I can see a move towards at least 310 or 312. But I only like Meta if the market is high, it's going higher, and if you can use yesterday high as support. If not, I'm not even gonna look Meta. So far, the market's kind of looking weak, but we have data coming up at 10. So anything can happen at 10. But yeah, so I like Microsoft and Meta if the tech market is strong. I like Apple, it depends if can break 174 or not. The one that I like the more is AMD, which is the one that I'm in. So AMD 102. So far my puts are looking great. Looking very good. But let's hope it use pre-market low as resistance. So 102, 101.60, it will be perfect if keeps acting as resistance. So basically pre-market low. We want to see pre-market low act as resistance here. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for today. Only like 4 charts that I'm really liking. And you guys know that I like to have like a small watch list so I don't get distracted watching too many things. And of course, Spy and the Q. You guys have my levels on and what I'm watching on Spy and the Q, but basically both have been moving in a range. So yesterday's low on both Spy and the Q. We want to see it holding. If we want to see upside under yesterday's low, it's bearish. It's bearish. So it's pretty much yesterday's low and yesterday high on both the SPY and the Q that we need to watch today. But we'll see, we'll see. So we either get a good trade before 10, like a quick scalp, or if I don't get anything like that, I'll be waiting for after 10 to see what's gonna be the real direction after the data. Mm, okay. Morning, morning. Okay, so far, Apple is rejecting this level here of resistance, the one that I was talking pre-market. That could be a good entry for puts, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. First of all, I want to see a SPY or the Q losing this pre-market low, but I do like this rejection here on Apple. If Apple uses this level here as support, that's bullish. Let's see. I want to see for upside, I want to see Apple holding 173 as support. Because so far, Apple is just filling the gap that it created from like morning, like from yesterday till today when it opened. But SPY and the Q are both at key levels. those two levels, like pretty much pre-market low, should hold. Otherwise, the market will be very, very, very bearish. Not only for today, but for the rest of the week. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna be patient here. I like the Q here for more upside, but for that I need Apple to be above 173. I need Apple to hold 173. Morning, morning. Okay, AMD is looking bullish. But I'm gonna wait because I think Apple is very important here for market direction. Whoa. Yeah, I mean, AMD is very bullish. Donnie, forget about that stock. Like, you talk about that stock like every single day. I'm not gonna trade that stock. That's too expensive. It's not worth it at all. You're risking too much money on expensive stock. You can make that money on any other stock that is way cheaper. Okay, I'm gonna get out of AMD. Let's see if we can break 103. It's more like 102.80. Like this resistance here. If you use that resistance as support, I'm gonna get out. But so far it's very strong. Yeah. I entered micros here because I like how um Apple is holding 173 and the Q and SPY are the very like important levels. Where is because when you trade, it gets to you cannot trade with stress. You only need to trade with your levels. You're gonna lose money either way. Like there's like if you enter at your levels and it doesn't work out, it is what it is. You gotta play your levels. Otherwise, why are you like making a pre-market plan or study how to trade or put levels on your charts? Also, don't put more money than you can afford. That's the only way that you're not gonna have like that's the only way to manage stress. But trading is very stressful. It is. What Microsoft if can hold 319. Microsoft 319, I think it can go higher here. If can hold 319.40, 319.50, I think that's a good entry there. Okay, I like that rejection there on AMD. The Q is having trouble here. But we'll see. Let's see. The best entry for upside it's on the Q is 358, 357. Let's see. So far it's looking weak. It's rejecting the gap fill. SPY is looking better than the Q. Remember, we have data coming up in like 17, 18 minutes. So if you're on any trade, like be careful. Okay, I like that. 360 is the next level to watch here on the queue, but it's still fighting this level. And 173 for Apple. Hi, welcome. I can trade anything, but I've been trading the same stocks for so long that it's easier for me, and I already understand the charts, like kind of can predict how it's gonna move because I've been trading the same stocks over and over again. And tech stocks are like chart tech stocks charts are very easy to read. Nvidia is looking bearish, yeah. It rejected very hard yesterday high. And if loses pre-market low, it's gonna go back down to 440. So watch Nvidia if loses pre-market low, for a move toward four, maybe 442, 440, 442, 440. I like that AMD rejection there. Also, if Microsoft loses 319, it could melt down till 318, 317. The market is looking weak. Let's see. Tech is looking weak. SPY is holding. Ooh, AMD here, it can be another good entry. Let's see, where are we going? I'm waiting to see if this 5 minute candle is gonna close holding VWAP or not. If holds VWAP, that's bullish. If I get 100 here, I'm gonna get out because I don't want to hold anything on data. But um spy, I'm out. I don't want to hold anything on data. So I'm 193 up here on each account. I'm gonna wait until 10 that we get data, and then I'll see what's the real direction today. But so far it looks like a bullish day. So let's just wait here. And I'm gonna wait until after data. The one that I'm looking that I like, it's AMD. So after data, if AMD is above this level here, I'm gonna get out of my put, and I'm gonna enter calls here. If data comes out and the market goes down and AMD loses this support, just gonna hold the ones that I have, maybe add more puts, because that's very bearish. The other one that I really like also, it's Microsoft. Microsoft keeps holding this level here, 319, 319.50, which is the level that I have on my pre-market watch list. And yeah, again, it's the same as AMD. If can hold this level after data, it's pretty bullish. If loses, I'm not gonna trade anything, but if data is good and we go higher, um, Microsoft is another one that I like for calls. So pick one. You can pick either Microsoft or, damn, Netflix is flying. What's going on with Netflix? That's pretty good for our calls because I'm still holding Netflix. That's insane. 386 was my last PT on Netflix. So I'm gonna take profits here. Most of my profits here. Netflix, if can hold this resistance here, support, that's extremely bullish. Very bullish. And I can see it moving towards 396. Yeah, this week. It's gonna feel this week here. So if you're not in Netflix, you can wait for a like retest of this previous resistance here, and then play, yeah, that will be your stop loss under that level, and then just play this weak fill here towards 396, 395.80. That's a good one. Nice, nice. So yeah, Netflix, crazy. AMD, it's above my level, but we still have 5 minutes till data. Nice. Remember to like the video. Like. I'm gonna put an alert on Netflix around 387 because if give me a retest of 386, 387, I'm gonna look for like adding for next week. And okay, so 193 on each account. Let's see if Apple is gonna go to 174. But again, I'm not gonna take anything until data comes out, which is in like 3 minutes. So 3 minutes till data. That's gonna tell us what's gonna be the market direction for today. Okay, so 1 minute till data. Let's see where we're gonna go here. Okay. Okay, Netflix is near 387. Apple holding 172. This level here, 172.50. It's bullish. Let's see. Um, that's bad, right? 1 million job openings. I think like that's good, but it's bad for the market because I think Feds don't want to see that unless it's less than what they were expecting. So it depends what's the number that the market was expecting. Mm, okay, Netflix is at 387. Um, you want to see 387, 386.20 hold. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close on everything so we know what's a clear direction for today. If SPY loses this level there, that level there that I have, I'm gonna go for the downside here because that's pretty bearish. So we wanna see SPY holding here, pre-market low, pretty much. If can't hold pre-market low, which is yesterday's low, it's around yesterday's low. I'm expecting SPY to move to 422.50. Like that's the first support there. Yeah, it's like around 422.80, 422.50. If holds here, it's bullish for today. So let's see. Let's be patient here. I like that AMD rejection. That's good for my puts. Okay. Let's see if this 5 minute candle is gonna close like this on their pre-market low. That will be my signal to enter to play the downside. Apple, also watch Apple on their 172, like pretty much pre-market low. It's looking just like SPY. Okay. I'm I'm getting in here. Okay, I got 4. Um, so I wanna see SPY using this level here as resistance. Let's see. Okay, I like that, but I'm looking Apple and Apple is holding 172, so we need Apple to lose 172. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good move. So I'm gonna hold as long as the SPY keeps like using yesterday's low or pre-market low as resistance. Yeah. Apple needs to lose 172 for the market to really die here. So far, SPY is looking very weak, but yeah. Let's watch 357. It's a level of support on the Q. Um, yeah. And AMD doesn't want it to go lower. It's like fighting there. Mm, yeah. That was a perfect entry on this downplay here. Okay, 422.50 around there, 422.50, 51. It's kind of my level for support, but I can also see like some support here. But I think as long as Apple keeps looking weak, the market can keep going lower. But yeah, I can see some around 423.50, some support there, and 423. But Apple is dying, so that's gonna help my play there. Is anybody playing this downside with me? How you guys doing so far? Nice. We want to see a rejection here. Yeah, we need a rejection here. Okay, I don't like that. That's extremely bullish there. What the heck? Yeah, it's a break and retest, but it's too strong. I don't like that. Let's see how the 5 minute candle is gonna close. But I understand why, because NQ is at a strong support, but Apple is still looking weak. Okay, we wanna see that. We wanna see the rejection, like just like that. Mm. Okay, I wanna see the 5 minute candle closing like that. We have 50 seconds for that. And Apple keeps looking very weak, so that's good. Netflix is trying to hold, but I want to see Netflix holding 380 above this level here. 386, 387. Okay, that's looking perfect. I'm gonna sell two, just to lock some profit here, holding just one. I'm sorry, holding two. Only holding two, sold two, holding two. ES is at, okay, ES is at support. Okay, that's looking beautiful. I'm selling one more just because it's very close to my support here. I'm holding only one. Yeah. We had a good morning today. Good trade today. I just need AMD to lose 102 and use it as resistance. That's all I need. I don't know, Sam. We need to wait and see. Remember, trading is not about like guessing what's gonna happen. You just need to wait and see how the market is gonna react on that level, and that's it. You can't just predict what's gonna happen. You need to wait, see if it's gonna bounce, if it's gonna give you like a bullish candle there, or if it's gonna break it and use it as resistance. Just wait and see. So far, nothing is looking bullish. Like 15 minutes all red, candles all red, 30-minute candles all red. But yeah, that's my next level of support. And we maybe bounce, we maybe like keeps going lower. I don't know. The next one looks like it's 421. If breaks that support, the next one is 421. And then it has a gap to fill here towards 420. Thank you. Okay, we need AMD. AMD, it's getting. I think in AMD, it looks like a head and shoulder here, but I don't know. It's been holding so good, but it should go lower. If AMD can't break this level here today with the market going lower, I'm gonna get out because that means it's extremely strong. And on any bounce on the market, it's gonna just go hard. But I'm gonna wait a little bit until I see the Q or Apple being bullish. So far, both are looking bearish. And looks like the next level of support here on QQQ is 356. And for AMD, if you want to play puts on AMD, just wait until AMD breaks this pre-market low and use it as resistance. Let's see what's the next. Okay, so next support here is 356. So it has a lot of support at 355 and 356. Between 357 and 356. We have support there. And also SPY, it's a level of support. And same with Apple. Mm, I got out. Uh, so I'm all out here on futures. mm, mm, mm. We're still looking weak, but I got all out because for me, Spy, the Q, Apple are a level of support. So for me, it was more risky to keep holding that that contract than wait and see if we're gonna break those levels and then wait for a break and retest or a bounce here. Netflix is crazy weak. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the rest of my runners on Netflix because I don't like how couldn't help 386. So I'm all out on Netflix. If anything, I'll wait for a hold of 386, 387. It could definitely hold here, but for me, it's better to just wait for these previous resistance to act as support. So I'm only holding AMD. And if the market holds here, if it's buy and the Q and Apple hold here, I'm gonna get out of AMD and maybe I'm gonna buy calls because I like this hold on AMD. Uh-huh. 14800. Honestly, I don't watch. I don't really look um futures charts, but let's see. Yeah, 18. Oh, I have a level there also. Let's see. Yeah. Um 14800 is the level to watch here. Yeah, definitely on NQ, which is pretty much the Q low, like QQQ level that I had. So if act as support, we're gonna bounce and go at least to 14850. So if it acts as support, I can see a bounce here. If act as resistance, the next level that I be looking, it will be 14700 around there, and then 14610. But it's pretty much the same like the Q. So it's the same level. It's 357 on the Q. It's around 357 on the Q. If act as support, we're gonna bounce here to at least pre-market low. If keeps acting as resistance, we're gonna keep like going lower. Yeah, the 102 level on AMD is like crazy strong. But I think if loses that level, it's really gonna melt down. And it looks like a head and shoulder here on the 5 minute chart. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Nvidia is holding very good. It's holding 443. Mm. Come on, AMD. Just lose it here. Okay, AMD is looking kind of good right now, but it keeps holding this pre-market low. We need to lose that level. AMD, it's up to you. I'm already in put since yesterday. So it's up to you what you want to play there. But yeah, we need to be patient here. But the market seems like it's finding support. It's a key level. Everything like SPY, the Q, Apple, AMD. But honestly, if you got like the move, like if you got put on a SPY or SPX, you got that downside, there is no need to keep trading here. What I'm watching right now is a 30-minute or 15-minute candle on the on QQQ closing above um 357.22. Yeah. 357.22. That will be a break of the downtrend. If you got a move, you shouldn't keep trading. Like it's more than enough for today. And don't watch how much money you made. Watch, like, look, really the important thing when trading is the percentage gain. Percentages are more important than the dollar amount. Mm. Okay, so the market looks like it's kind of found support here. Let's see how this 15-minute candle is gonna close and then how is the next one gonna open. But looks like it's rejecting 90 MA on Apple and the Q. But I will not play the downside here because everything's at strong support. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so now we have a lot of patience here. We need to have a lot of patience here. I'm just here waiting to see if AMD is gonna finally lose that level. That's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, I like that. Finally. But we need this candle closing like that, like red under pre-market low. We have 1 minute until this candle is closing, and that will be perfect. No. But so far, the daily candle is looking ugly. Finally. That definitely was a head and shoulder there. Finally. Okay, so next level that I see is has a little bit of support. It's 101.20, and then it will be 100.40 or point 30. So SPY need to use 422.30 as resistance. So this wick here as resistance. Only 48 likes, you guys. That's not good. Like I mean, we had like amazing trades today, and we have only 48 likes. That's no bueno. Okay, AMD is looking great so far. We want to see it rejecting this previous support and act as resistance. That's it. But we need the market to go lower, but because it looks like it's holding. Market will drop or bounce. I guess so. I made pretty much the same amount yesterday trading futures and today. Okay, I like that. That's great for our puts, our AMD puts. Yeah, finally AMD flushing. Finally. Finally. I almost re-enter here, but I was like, ooh, I don't want to be greedy. I've been doing great, yeah. I've been doing great. I'm working on my patient. I noticed that I wasn't being patient with my levels. So, but now that I'm working on that, I'm getting better entries and locking profits more often. One second. Okay. Mm, so 100.40. Um, it's my PT on AMD, but I think I'm gonna take most of my profits around 100.50, like before it hit that PT. Yeah, the market's been so choppy that it's a market for scalping fast. So the important thing here is to adapt because I'm mostly a swing trader, but we need to adapt how the market is moving and trade accordingly. At the beginning, it can be a little bit difficult because your brain is like used to trade another way, but then you kind of like slowly but surely adapt to how you should trade right now. Oh, if you trade minis, it's like crazy fast how you need to trade. That's why I'm trading micros. Minis give me like it makes me nervous. Minis move too fast. You can lose money like that with minis. Mm, 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 mm. Give me a little bit more so I can sell 100.40. It's my first PT here. Apple is looking weak. That was beautiful. AMD trade was almost perfect. Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't be greedy. I should take profits here. Yeah, I'm gonna sell here like 95% of my contract. I'm just gonna leave some runners here. And and yeah, so my next PT is gonna be 130 around there. It loses that level, and then we have around 98. SPY should go to 421. Like, I don't see a reason why holding here in the middle. Yeah, 421. Yeah, 421, 421.30. Under 421 is gonna go to 420 because it has a gap here. Mm, Here's the gap. Nice, nice. Yeah, AMD was beautiful. Patience paid here on this one. Definitely. Damn, if AMD loses this level, it's gonna really go down. 99, 98. Um, yeah, doesn't have much support here. Nice, Veronica. Congrats. This is a key level for AMD to hold or die. Key, very important level here. Look, we got a risk to reward here. It was a all 3.57. Yep, beautiful. And it was pretty much the same trade today. So if you didn't enter with me yesterday, it was exactly the same trade today. A rejection of pre-market high, rejection of 103.50 around there. Oh. How you guys doing so far today? It is an amazing day for me, honestly. I had so many contracts on AMD. I had 45 contracts on AMD. Now I'm only holding 5. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. So I'm thinking I'm done for today. Like I don't need to keep watching here or keep trading. I had an amazing day with AMD, great day with futures. That's more than enough for today. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go and eat my breakfast, break my fasting, break my fast, and yeah, great day today. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, for liking the video. Um, yeah, have a great day. Bye, guys.